need to see that before you can do things that will make your man thingy stand up well and do the correct job for your woman. I don't want to know. Don't send it to me, please. Please keep your thing under yourself. Cover it up with your boxers and
okay. All right. Yeah.
Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. My name is Bookies. To all my subscribers, thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for thumbsing my video up. Thank you for leaving me comments. I appreciate you guys so much. Your support keeps me going. And yeah, so today's video, as you can tell by the title, guys want to injure me, because I don't want to use the other word, because like I said in my previous video, I don't know what we are allowed to say here now on YouTube, so I just have to watch what I say or how I put things out, because there are some words you're not allowed to say now. So like some of you guys do come to my Facebook page inbox and send me different type of pictures. If I make video here to show you what you can use to make your man thingy down there to stand up and finish the movie you started and all that stuff, that doesn't warrant that you guys should come to my Facebook page inbox and start bombarding me with different kind of pictures. And these are not just ordinary pictures, you know, pictures of your, what's that for? Do I need to see that before you can help yourself? Do I need to see that before you can do things that will make your man thingy stand up well and do the correct job for your woman? At first I was like, what's this? I ignored it. Another person sent me another picture, another person sent me another picture. I was like, wait, oh, it's like this matter don't pass how we think it is. Like, what's going on? Like, I don't get it. So yeah, I just want to put this out. Please don't send me picture of your, you know, yourself down there. I don't need it. I don't want to see it. There's nothing I want to use it for. Okay, please don't blind me. You want me to go blind if I keep saying every type of, you know, this something. You want me to go blind? Please stop sending me pictures of yourself down there. I don't want to see it. I don't want to know what it looks like. I don't want to know how big or small it is. I don't care. If you need help, watch some of my videos and help yourself. I'm not a doctor, so please watch my video. If you find it helpful, then make use of the tips. And if you need more questions, yeah, you can email me, you can send me inbox message from my Facebook page. The name will be on the screen. You can send me message to ask for your question, or you can send me an email to ask for your question, and I will be glad to, you know, reply to your questions. If you cannot, leave them in the description box below. That's fine. You can email me your question, but please, I do not want to know or to see what you're down there is like. I don't care. That is not my purpose here on YouTube. Please don't send me pictures of yourself down there. I don't want to see it. I don't care. I don't want, you know, I don't have anything to do with that. If you have question and you ask your question directly, yeah, I can answer your question. I don't need to see you down there before I can, you know, respond or answer your question. What's that? Well, okay, that's fine. Yeah, so I don't want to see what it looks like before I can give you my advice. And to all you mother that keeps leaving me negative comments, I don't need your negative vibe. I don't need your negative vibe here on my channel. If you like what you see, or if you like what you watch, you can subscribe and you can thumbs it up. If you don't like it, hey, vamos on to the next one. So yeah, if you don't like what you see, it's not compulsory. You know, this life is very simple. We shouldn't be taking it. But for you to be coming on my comment section and been insulting me for what I did not force you to use. I did not force anybody to use any of those DIYs. those who use them and find it helpful, some of them comes back and leave comments on the comment section, and some of them actually email me that thank you for your videos on YouTube. I followed some of your DIY and they really helped me. They really, you know, they worked for me. So that is kind of message or kind of support that keeps me going and that make me want to make videos more for you guys. And but if you come and start insulting me, won't even call him a mad woman, and you know, to be honest, negative comment doesn't get to me, but it's just like, let me use this opportunity to address these YouTube trolls or social media trolls that think they can come onto somebody's video and leave nasty comments or negative comments or even abuse a person. You don't know me, I don't know you, and we don't have to know each other before we can help each other. If you can help me grow on my channel, I love you. And if you don't want to help me to grow, then you can move on to the next one. If you don't like what you see on my channel, you can move on to the next one. It's not by force. Like, no one is forcing you to watch, no one is forcing you to comment, no one is forcing you to thumbs my video up. But to those who watch, who comment, who thumbs my video up, I appreciate you so much, and God in His infinite mercy will bless you guys so much, because your encouragement keeps me going by. You might think it's nothing, but when you watch my video and you leave a comment, you thumbs it up, it encourages me to want to make more videos. It encourages me to want to make. So when I see all this support, it's like, yes, people want to see more of my content, people want to see what I've got in stock, or people want to see what videos I want to make next. So that is the kind of encouragement I need from you guys. I do not need your negative comments. They get deleted anyway. I do delete them, but the one I'll just feel like, you know what, let me just leave this one, they make it a play. So that one I'll just like, I will ignore the comment just like they don't exist. You coming on my videos to insult me, to leave negative comments, it doesn't bother me. Let me put that to you. It doesn't, you know, bother me. When I see them, I'll just like, what's wrong with these people now? By force? Like, it's not by force. You don't have to leave comments if you don't want to, but if you want to, I appreciate it. And yes, I truly appreciate your support, your comments. When I see you guys comment, when I see that you watch my video, when you email me that some of my DIY is really helping you guys, it gives me joy. And I appreciate it for you coming back to give me feedback. So yeah, I appreciate it, and that makes me happy. But when you leave negative comments, it doesn't make me sad. If you don't like one of my video, move on to the one you think you will like. Watch that one, leave comments if you want to. But you know, by leaving comments on people's videos, it's just like you creating that connection between you and that content creator. Like, you know, it's like building a family. So yeah, let's build a family on this channel. Let's know ourselves. You know, we don't have to see face to face, but yeah, by interacting in the comment section below makes me sometimes feels like, oh yeah, I know these people, and it makes me also feel that you people also know me. So that is how I think it should be. And yeah, that's everything I've got to say concerning the issue of the inbox photos I received and the negative comments. You know, before starting YouTube channel, I've been on YouTube now for like 5 years. Yeah, even though I took a break. So yeah, I took a break and came back this year. So I know that it's not good, the journey is not gonna be easy, but it is easy for me in Jesus' name, because I'm a believer. I believe with God everything is possible. So yeah, I knew that people will come for me even if I didn't send for them. You know that kind of thing when you have people that you didn't invite to your party and they just turn up like that. So yeah, I knew it's gonna happen. I knew, you know, we human beings, we are not the same. Some people will agree with me and some people will also disagree, which is fine. We can disagree to agree. If you don't agree with some of my content, that is totally fine. That's totally okay, like absolutely okay. But you don't have to insult me. Why are you insulting? So when you leave negative comments there, or when you abuse me, when you curse me, call me all sort of names, do you think that will remove my clothes, or it will remove one hair from my body? No, it doesn't bug me. Like, I don't even think about it. If not, now that I'm making this video, I'll just like, let me just throw this in, you know. It doesn't bother me, it doesn't get to me. Don't abuse people for nothing, you know. It doesn't make sense to me. It doesn't make sense. Watch my video, thumbs it up, leave me comments, and that's how we can grow and build each other. So you guys, that's everything I've got to say concerning these issues. So if you'll be sending me pictures of yourself down there, please, I'm begging you, stop sending me pictures. I don't want to see your picture down there. I don't care, you know. Don't send it to me. I don't care. Don't blind me. I still need my eyes to see so many beautiful things on the land of the living. So don't blind me, please. Keep your thinking to yourself. Keep it to your woman. Keep it to your ladies or your lady. And if you don't have a lady, you don't have a woman, just keep it inside your panties, inside your boxers. Keep it there. Let it keep sleeping there till you have somebody that you can share it with. You know, don't send it to me. I don't want to see it. I don't care. I don't want to know what it looks like. I don't want to know the size or the thick or the thin. Or I don't want to know. Don't send it to me, please. Please keep your thing under yourself. Cover it up with your boxers. Yeah, so you guys, thank you so much for watching. Enough of me rambling, going on and on about this issue. Honestly, imagine you waking up in the morning and see picture, people bombarding you with different type of sizes, picture down there and all kind of crazy thing early in the morning. The one I received yesterday, I was like, sure, waiting. On top, say make una do DIY onions and olive oil to keep you awake throughout of your movie with your ladies. Is that why I'm receiving this much pictures? Like, the thing is that the pictures comes with question, like, okay, my this is sleeping, how can I wake it up? Like I said, I don't want to say it with the whole mouth because I don't want you to ban my video. Thingy is sleeping, how can I wake it up? I was like, which kind of question is this? So I was like, which kind of question is this? If you want to ask me a question, you don't have to send me pictures now. I don't have to see it before I give you answer to your question. I don't have to see it. Be cool, please. So yeah, that's everything I've got to say in this video. I know I've said it before, you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you click the subscribe button down there, and also turn on this notification bell right beside the subscribe button. And what that does is anytime I upload a video on YouTube, you guys at home will get a notification. And make sure you smash that like button. And yeah, about my hair, if you love my hair, leave a comment. If you're feeling this hair, leave comment in the comment section below. If you want info on this hair is so gorgeous. This hair is the bank.com. If you want info on this hair, leave comment in the comment section below, and I will give you all the information, everything you need to know about the hair and all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Make sure you subscribe in the comments, not comment section. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to this channel.